Hello and welcome back. This is the Black Car List Show. Today we're going to be talking about how to find salvage vehicles near you. We're going to be talking about two main companies. We're going to be talking about Iaai.com and Copart.com. Let's get started and talk about Copart. Copart is a huge auction located across the United States. Copart has multiple auctions. As you can see on this list, you can go in Copart and go under section and you'll find this list. They have multiple auctions. Some you do need licenses, some are open to the public. Let's use this Florida auction for an example. This auction will happen in 2 days. Let's go on this Impala they have listed. So this Impala has a salvage title. It's got 143,000 miles on it, and it says it has rare damage. So this is considered a salvage vehicle. You can see it needs 2 doors and a quarter panel, and it has a tail light. The car is at $300. And how easy it is just to sign up, place your bid, and go from there. Let's talk about HighA now. HighA is a huge salvage auction also. They are competitors with HighA and Copart. I should make a video about that coming in the future, about which one's better and which one I use more. HighA is a little more organized, I would say. It's got auctions across the whole United States also. As you can see, let's just go here and find a vehicle. So they got an auction coming up tomorrow, because today's the 1st. Let's use this 2006 Escalade for an example. This is a salvage title. Just like Copart, you can bid right on here. What I like about Iaai is it tells you who the seller is right down here. And it's much neater to me. Both of them are linked down below. I have another video about the fees on them. If you had any questions, please leave them down below. If you liked any of these videos or would like to learn more about this, please subscribe and give me a like. And thank you for watching. Little note, there's a Lamborghini in the background.